We made just an absolute mess. All right, so I usually start my vlogs by talking about how like last minute the photo shoot is, but today the idea's kind of already been thought through a little bit. So what I want to do instead is walk you through my photographic process from beginning to end and kind of show you the steps it takes to execute what just starts as an idea in my head and to get you to the finished product. So let's do it. So the basic idea of the photo is to have a subject standing in the frame, about a medium shot from the waist up, and then have them get hit by like a powder. We're thinking flour mixed with what's called holy powder, which is what they use for like color runs and stuff. And basically the holy powder flour mixture will like either hit the back or the side of their head and then explode upwards. And if we do like a bunch of different color flowers, we'll have this like rainbow effect. So that's kind of the plan for right now, and if anything changes. So I looked online and it looks like either Walmart, AC Moore, or Michael's should have this colored powder that you can then add to flour to kind of make more volume of it. The first place I'm going to is a local coffee shop downtown. I usually go to one kind of closer to my house, but it's actually closed on Sundays, so I have to go downtown. Plans at the coffee shop are to kind of like plan out all the different aspects of the photograph. So I'm bringing my laptop and yeah. Okay, so I had a pretty productive, I guess what we should call it, like a coffee shop session. Planned everything out. Right now I'm headed over to pick up my friend Griffin, and then we're gonna go to Walmart and pick up some of the supplies that we need for tonight. So let's do this. Okay, hold on. So we're at Walmart, but like it's kind of shady.
Oh, here it is.
How much flour do we need?
All
we found flour.
We need all of the flour.
Probably like, is 6 too many? Or is 6 even enough? Is 6 enough? How many times are we gonna do this?
I don't know.
We didn't bring a cart either. Just, none of this was thought through. All right, let's. Has to be in front. How many?
That might be.
Stop. Okay, so, we got flour.
And the guy at the checkout made a really funny comment.
Yeah, he was like, "Oh, are you doing a lot of baking?" So we spent $8 on flour. So we are $42 under budget. So next stop is AC Moore or Michael's to try to find powder because they didn't have it there.
So that guy would be like permanent. Like I feel like the color from a color run is like it washes off a bit
Like it would like
more.
stain your skin, kind of.
Possibly, but.
Okay, so we're home. We got all the supplies. This is Ian. Ian's gonna help out tonight. This is my vlog. Oh yeah, I vlog now. I know, it's crazy. So Griffin's gonna straighten her hair for the shoot, and I'm gonna, and then Ian and I are gonna start setting up for the photo shoot until Chris gets here. I'm leaving. Okay, so this is the backyard, and what we're gonna do is set a tarp down like right around here, and then set up flashes here in 3 of those 4 spots. I'm gonna have a table here for like supplies, and then I'm gonna get my other lights to illuminate the whole scene at night. put like a little bit of flour in the...
Alright. There's a big like hole. Like, is this so broken? Like, is this a problem?
It shouldn't be.
I don't want to get
So
covered
I'm
in
thinking
flour.
just like in the middle, just a little bit. That's good.
Alright.
So we'll start with that and then we'll go from there. So I think that it's probably not gonna work the first few times, but we'll get in a rhythm. What do you think, Chris?
I'm pretty much with that. Like, I'm pretty sure like try number 2 is gonna be the best one, but we're gonna somehow just barely miss it, and then you're gonna like complain about it on editing. I'm gonna be like, he's totally right, but that seems to happen a lot. Thoughts on being the subject? There's that like little voice in the back of your head, and it's like, you know, this isn't a good idea, and he's like screaming at me right now because I know I'm gonna like wake up tomorrow and be like, why is there flour everywhere? Outside of that, I'm okay.
We bought shirts because we knew that when we wash them, they're gonna turn into bread. So, also, your hair, you gotta use like a hose to wash it out before you get in the shower because it'll turn your drain into bread. Griffin, what do you think's gonna happen?
I'm pretty much in agreement. I think it's gonna be a lot of fun.
As long as there's not fire, we're good.
Okay, try number 1.
We're good. Can I swim it?
Yeah. And Ian. And Ian.
So we figured out that the best way to do this was to put this chair, or this stool on top of this chair in like the most precarious way possible.
So clamp down.
No! Like that.
Why did you don't want to
Shut up! Why are you yelling
stop!
at me?
Stop! 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 Mom! Oh, that's gonna look so cool.
2, 1. After buying the shirts for $10 and the flour for $8, we didn't end up getting the holy powder, so we didn't spend any money there, and then we spent $6 on flowers. So we ended up only spending 20. So we only ended up spending $24 out of the 50, which was kind of cool. Alright, overall I'd say pretty successful photo shoot. I think the photos look really good considering that we weren't able to get the colored powder that we were hoping for. It's 2 days after we did the photo shoot and the flower is just still all over the yard. I don't think it's going anywhere. But yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.